Tour possible.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania, central west Moreland County and southwestern Pennsylvania, south central Armstrong County and west central Pennsylvania until 4:15 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dalemo, 7 miles south of Apollo, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations of hazards include Indiana, Mullen.
Oh, that's a different SVR.
Dalemo, Black Lakes, Avonmore, Salford, New Alexandria, Slickville, Mooson Mines, and Jacksonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.